Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. If you are doing AQA A-Level Maths and integration is one of those topics where you understand the basic questions, but then the harder exam questions suddenly look completely different, this video is for you. We are going to work through a set of questions that gradually get harder. I don't just want to watch me doing them. For some of these, pause the video and have go yourself first. And there is one thing I want you to keep in mind throughout the whole video. Don't just ask, can I integrate this? Ask, what method do I need? That's much better exam habit. Now let's start with something fairly straightforward. Question number 1 is evaluate integral of 6x square minus 4x plus 5 d of x. So have a got at this before I show you the answer? This is a basic integration question, but don't underestimate these because mistakes here can cost very easy marks. So first of all, we will solve this as integration of 6x square d of x, that will equal 6x cube by 3 and it will become 2x cube. Then integral of minus 4x d of x, that gives minus 4x square by 2, that is minus 2x square. Integral of 5 dx is 5 of x. So integration of 6x square minus 4x plus 5 d of x will become equals 2x cube minus 2x square plus 5x plus c. Now if you are right in an exam, so there is a nice easy start, but the most important thing is to notice that complicated questions are also want to do practice. So you don't need substitution, you don't need integration by parts, you simply recognize the structure. Let's make a little more interesting by another question. Question number 2. Now you have question number 2 as integrate by 1 to 4 2 of x minus 8 ln x d of x. This is the sort of question where students often know integration but choose the wrong method. Look at the expression. You have got a polynomial expression multiplied by ln x. So what method should immediately come up to your mind? Polynomial is multiplied by ln x. Now integration by parts, if you recognize this, good. So we will solve this integration by parts. Write this here, integration by parts, that gives the formula of u of d of v equals uv minus integral of v of du. We need to choose u and dv. So this will be a sensible choice. First of all, consider u, that will equals ln x, then dv by dx is 2x minus 8. This is our choice. Now du by dx is 1 by x and v will equals by integration of this 2x square by 2 minus 8 of x. So v is x square minus 8 of x. Now we will apply the integration formula here, integration by parts, we get, when we integrate this, u into v means, first of all we will write as you got this as equals x square minus 8x. This is the value of v, and value of u is ln x. Then minus sign of integral, value of v is x square minus 8x, and du, that will be 1 by x into d of x. Now this will become equals, and x square minus 8x will be, this is x square minus 8x ln x, and here we will take x as common, so this will become x minus 8 d of x. So now when we integrate this, we get x square minus 8x ln x minus integration of x is x square by 2, and integration of 8 is minus minus will become plus 8 of x. Now we will apply the limits here. First of all, we will find the value of f of 4, that means x square, or rewrite the function here, then we will solve. So we get f of x was equals x square minus 8x ln x minus x square by 2 plus 8 of x, that gives f of 4 means 4 square minus 8 into 4 is 32 ln 4 minus 4 square by 2 plus 8 of 4, so 4 square is 16, 16 ln 4, 16 minus 32, it will become minus 16 ln 4, and 4 square is 16 divided by 2 is 8. So a minus 8 plus 32, then 32 minus 8 will be 24. So minus 16 ln 4 plus 24. Now we will find the value of f of 1. F of 1, when we substitute 1 square, this is the 1 square, so 1 minus 8 of 1 and ln 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 8. Since we know that ln 1 is 0, that's why we get 16 minus 1 is 15 by 2. So f4 is this one and f1 is this, so we will write our integration here, that will equals f of 4 minus f of 1 so this will become minus 32 ln of 2 plus 24 upper limit and the lower limit minus 15 by 2. So this will become minus 32 ln 2, and when we take its LCM it will become 32 by 2. Now here is an important exam point. The integral itself is negative because the curve is below the x-axis over this interval. If the question asks find the area and rather than the signed interval, you need to deal with the sign carefully. So don't automatically write a positive answer just because you have here that area is positive. There is exactly the sort of detail that separate a correct method from a complete exam question. If this video help you understand how to spot these patterns, smash like bottom drop any question you have in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe Math Solver 1117. Keep practicing. I will see you in the next video.